Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this 208 in the signature specification. So this car has 16-inch alloy wheels, tinted rear windows, there's rear parking sensors. Inside the car, the touchscreen has DAB digital radio, as well as great smartphone connectivity with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth. There's air conditioning, automatic headlights and wipers, and you get cruise control with a speed limiter. So let's have a look around. We are happy to tailor your experience to suit your current requirements, whether that's making an appointment to view a vehicle, using our click and collect service, or taking advantage of Howard's home delivery service. We hope to hear from you soon. Thank you.